How big is too big nga ba? Alamin natin kung anong advantages ng isang ultra-wide monitor. Ito ay ang MSI Modern 34 ultra-wide monitor. Tara, try natin to. Hi, ako si Alvin and I make videos about tech events, reviews, and guides. When it comes to monitors, ang kadalasan nating na-encounter ay yung aspect ratio na 16:9, 16:10, or 4:3. With the MSI Modern 34-inch ultra-wide monitor, ito ay 21:9 aspect ratio. And with this, you get multiple advantages. With an ultra-wide monitor, you get a more immersive experience watching videos, playing games, o kaya doing your work. Syempre, with the added screen real estate din, pwede mong hatiin yung monitor mo into two para pwede kang nag-work habang nanonood ng video o kaya nagbabrowse sa internet. With the extra long monitor pa, madali kang makakapag-edit ng timeline mo kapag mahilig kang mag-edit ng videos or doing creative work. Syempre, with the MSI Modern 34-inch monitor, nakakakuha ka ng isang magandang display